Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Shibli Sadik. Today I want to discuss about the milling machine. So, as a mechanical engineer, we have to know about the milling machine, its kinematic system, its working principle, um, from the basic knowledge. So, I want to share today uh, to you about the whole things of the milling machines. So we can go through a picture. So we can see this picture, and this picture is on kind of machine tools. But as a mechanical engineer, we have to understand that this type of picture, uh, which is the which kind of the machine tools. So we can see here as a ram, and here it is a cutting tool, and here it is a workpiece. So there is a column and a base, and here is a bed and a working table here. So we can easily find that it is a one kind of milling machines. So what is the milling? The milling is a metal cutting operation in which the excess material from the workpiece is removed by rotating multi-point cutting tool called milling cutter. And there are one kind of horizontal milling machine. This type of machine, there are some essential parts such as base, column, spindle, overarm, knee, saddle, and work table. So what is the milling machine? Milling machine is a machine tool that removes metal as the work is fed against a rotating multi-point cutter. So now we can see the kinematic system of these machines. So here we can find that the milling cutter, and this milling cutter always mounted on the horizontal milling arbor, and it receives its rotary motion at different speeds from the main motor, that is called main motor. From the main motor, uh, through the belt and pulley, that is called the belt, and there is a pulley, and this motor supply its rotary motion to the speed gearbox by the help of this pulley and this belt, and the power is transmitted to the speed gearbox through this belt and pulley and a safety clutch. For the feed motion of the workpiece mounted on the work table independently. So we can see that this milling cutter is attached with the output shaft of the speed gearbox, and speed gearbox also supply the rotary motion to the uh, output shaft, and the milling cutter receive this rotary motion and rotate on the working table and cut the workpiece very easily. So that is the main principle, main kinematic system of the machine tool. So next time I will show another machine, and uh, you have you will be, if this video is effective for you, then you can uh, see my next video and always subscribe my channel. Then I will be inspired from your watching.